Shopify has a free app that feeds your brand information directly to ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, and every other AI shopping platform. It's been available for months, and the majority of Shopify stores haven't installed it. If we haven't met already, I am the digital avatar of Steve, the founder of e-commerce agency Working Digital. While he is helping Shopify brands scale with AI, I am here to keep you up to date with the latest AI strategies for e-commerce. Steve reads every comment, so make sure to drop one below. The app is called the Knowledge Base. I mentioned it briefly in video 2, and I've referenced it a few times since then, but it deserves its own deep dive because most store owners either don't know it exists or assume it's just another FAQ tool. The Knowledge Base is a structured data feed. It takes verified facts about your business, your return policy, your shipping timelines, your brand story, your product care guides, and delivers them directly to AI platforms through Shopify's infrastructure. No crawling, no scraping, no hoping that an AI bot finds the right page on your website. Direct delivery, and it's free. Shopify built it, Shopify maintains it, and it plugs directly into the same infrastructure that powers agentic storefronts and the Shopify catalog. If you're already optimizing your product feed based on the last video, the knowledge base is the second half of the equation. Your feed handles product data, the knowledge base handles everything else. When a shopper asks an AI agent a product question, the AI pulls from your product feed. That part is straightforward. But shoppers don't just ask about products, they ask about stores. Does this store offer free shipping? What's their return policy? How long does delivery take? Are they a legitimate business? Do they have good customer service? These are trust questions. The shopper is deciding whether to buy from you specifically, not just whether the product is right. And AI agents need answers to recommend your store with confidence. Before the knowledge base existed, AI agents had to crawl your website and hope they could find this information. If your return policy was buried in a PDF download, the AI couldn't read it. If your shipping details were loaded through JavaScript, the crawler missed them. If your brand story was spread across 3 different pages with no clear summary, the AI pieced together a fragmented answer or just skipped you entirely. The knowledge base solves all of that. You enter your store information once in a structured format, verified by you. Shopify delivers it directly to AI platforms. The AI gets clean, accurate, up-to-date answers to every trust question a shopper might ask. The difference in AI behavior is measurable. When an AI agent has verified brand data, it recommends with confidence. This store offers free returns within 30 days and ships within 2 business days. When it doesn't have that data, it hedges. This store appears to sell similar products, but I couldn't verify their policies. The first version converts. The second one sends the shopper to your competitor. I want to make the distinction clear because I see stores confusing these two systems. Your product feed tells AI agents what you sell. Titles, descriptions, prices, variants, images, availability, specifications. The feed is about products. It answers the question, what can I buy here? The knowledge base tells AI agents who you are and how you operate. Return policy, shipping policy, brand story, contact information, sizing guides, care instructions, sustainability practices, customer service hours. The knowledge base is about your business. It answers the question, should I buy here? AI agents evaluate both when making a recommendation. A store with perfect product data but no brand information looks like an unknown quantity. The AI might show your product, but it won't recommend it with the same confidence it gives to a store where it can verify the return policy, confirm the shipping timeline, and reference the brand's history. Think about how you shop. You might find the perfect product on a website you've never heard of. Before you buy, you check the return policy, look for reviews, verify they're a real business. AI agents do the same evaluation, and they do it in milliseconds using the structured data you provide through the knowledge base. If you completed the product feed optimization from the last video, you've handled one half. The knowledge base is the other half. Both need to be complete for AI agents to recommend you with full confidence. Installing the knowledge base takes about 2 minutes. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for Knowledge Base. It's published by Shopify, not a third-party developer, and install it. Free. No monthly fee. Once installed, you'll find it in your Shopify admin under Apps. Open it and you'll see a dashboard with several sections to fill out. The app auto-generates some facts about your store based on existing data in your Shopify settings. Review those first. Some will be accurate, some will be incomplete or outdated. Correct anything that's wrong before you start adding new information. The interface is simple. Each section has fields where you enter specific facts about your business. The app formats them into structured data that AI platforms can consume directly. You don't need to write code, edit schema markup, or do anything technical. Enter the information, save it, and Shopify handles the distribution. One important detail, the knowledge base syncs with AI platforms on Shopify's timeline, not instantly. After you make changes, it can take a few days for updated information to appear in AI responses. Don't make a change and test it the same afternoon. Give it 3 to 5 days, then verify. Set a calendar reminder to review your knowledge base monthly. Shipping timelines change during holidays. Return policies might get updated. New products might require new care guides. Treat it like any other business listing that needs to stay current. This is the part where most stores rush through and leave gaps. Every field matters because every field is a potential answer to a shopper's question. First, your return policy. Be specific. Free returns within 30 days of delivery. Unworn items in original packaging. Refund processed within 5 business days of receiving the return. Don't write a legal document. Write a clear factual answer that an AI agent can quote directly to a shopper who asks what's their return policy. Second, shipping information. Include processing time, shipping methods, estimated delivery windows, and whether you offer free shipping and at what threshold. Orders ship within 1 - 2 business days. Standard delivery 5-7 business days. Free shipping on orders over $75. Express shipping available for $12.99. Cover domestic and international if you ship outside your country. Third, your brand story. This is your entity signal. 2 to 3 paragraphs about who you are, what you sell, who you serve, and what makes you different. AI platforms use this to understand your brand as a distinct entity in the marketplace. Include founding details, your specialty, and what problem you solve for customers. Skip the corporate mission statement language. Write it the way you describe your business to someone at dinner. Fourth is sizing guides. If you sell apparel, footwear, or anything size dependent, include complete sizing information, measurements in both inches and centimeters. Fit descriptions, runs true to size, runs small, relaxed fit, size comparison charts. This is one of the most common questions shoppers ask AI about clothing brands, and stores that provide complete sizing data in the knowledge base see significantly more confident recommendations. Fifth, any product care instructions, how to wash, how to store, what to avoid. AI agents surface this information when shoppers ask questions like, is this machine washable, or how do I clean this? If the answer isn't in your knowledge base or product descriptions, the AI can't answer it, and the shopper may move on. Sixth, your store's contact information and customer service info. Business hours, email address, phone number if you have one, response time expectations. AI agents reference this when evaluating whether your store is legitimate and responsive. A store with clear contact information looks more trustworthy than one where the AI can't find a way to reach a human. And lastly, any sustainability and ethical practices. If you have them, include them. An increasing number of shoppers ask AI about a brand's sustainability practices, sourcing, packaging, and labor standards. If this is part of your brand identity, make sure AI agents know about it. Fill out every available section. Leave nothing blank. Every empty field is a question AI can't answer about your store, and every unanswered question is a reason to recommend your competitor instead. The knowledge base does something that no other Shopify app does. It shows you the actual questions shoppers are asking AI agents about your store. This is market research you can't buy. You're seeing the exact language, the exact phrasing, and the exact concerns that real shoppers have about your brand when they're talking to AI, and you're seeing it in real time. Look at the questions coming in. If shoppers keep asking about your return window, that tells you your return policy needs to be more prominent and more detailed. If they're asking about specific product compatibility questions, that tells you your product descriptions are missing information. If they're asking, is this brand legit? That tells you your trust signals need work. Use these questions to improve both your knowledge base answers and your product data. Each question is a gap in your data that a real shopper encountered. Closing that gap means the next shopper gets a confident answer instead of uncertainty. Check your question analytics weekly. The questions change as your store evolves, as seasons shift, and as AI platforms update their shopping features. The stores that respond quickly to new question patterns stay ahead of the ones that set up the knowledge base once and forget about it. I audit knowledge base setups regularly, and the same mistakes come up over and over. Copying and pasting legal language into policy sections. AI agents struggle with dense legal text. Your return policy should read like a clear answer to, can I return this? Not like a terms of service document. Rewrite policies in plain, direct language, leaving auto-generated facts uncorrected. When the app pulls data from your existing Shopify settings, it sometimes generates facts that are outdated or partially wrong. A store that's been open for 5 years might have an auto-generated fact referencing old shipping timelines. Review every auto-generated fact and correct or remove anything that's inaccurate. Writing vague brand descriptions. We're passionate about quality and committed to excellence, tells AI agents nothing. We make handcrafted leather goods in Austin, Texas. Every product uses full-grain vegetable tanned leather and comes with a lifetime warranty. That second version creates entity clarity. The AI knows what you sell, where you're based, what materials you use, and what guarantee you offer. Ignoring international shoppers? If you ship internationally, include that information. Currency, duties, estimated delivery times for major regions. AI shopping is global. A shopper in London might ask ChatGPT about your products, and if the AI can't confirm you shipped to the UK, it recommends a UK-based alternative. Treating setup as a one-time task. Your knowledge base needs maintenance. Update it when policies change, when you add new product categories, when seasonal shipping timelines shift. Outdated information in your knowledge base is worse than no information because it erodes trust when the AI gives a shopper an answer that turns out to be wrong. The entire knowledge base setup takes about an hour if you have your policies and brand information ready. An hour. That hour of work feeds AI platforms for as long as you keep the app installed and the data updated. Every AI shopping query about your brand benefits from the information you enter today. As AI shopping grows, and Gartner's predicting a 25% drop in traditional search volume by the end of this year, that single hour of work becomes more valuable every month. The compound effect works the same way as it does with product feeds. Complete brand data gives AI agents the confidence to recommend you. Confident recommendations drive more sales. More sales improve your popularity scores. Higher popularity scores generate more recommendations. The whole system feeds itself once the data is in place. I've seen stores go from zero AI visibility to consistent recommendations within 2 weeks of completing both their product feed and knowledge base setup. The demand already exists. Shoppers are already asking AI about products in every category. The stores that provide complete, accurate, verified data are the ones AI agents trust enough to recommend. If you haven't done the product feed optimization from the last video, start there. Then come back and do this. The two together are the foundation that everything else in this series builds on. If you want a clear picture of where your store stands, there's a link in the description to get a free AI commerce audit. In the next video, we're covering schema markup for AI commerce, what actually works, what doesn't, and the specific implementation that feeds Google AI mode.